Well, good morning, everyone. It's late morning. It's almost 10 o'clock. Who cares? I promised you to show you my property, my vacation resort, what I built so far. I can't build much. No, really, I cannot build much, but I did some few things. Probably I shouldn't smoke it. It's time to quit, I know. Okay, let me show you. This is the new part of the project. This is where the solar power plant will be built. Over the winter I'll build it myself. This is the new gate to get into, and a new wall. And this is a very important, this dude, guardian. His job is to guard this place, right? This rock weighs 200 kilos, by the way. And this is my golden wall. You see all this? Just this part. From both sides, of course. It took me 2 days to put all those stones in it. 2 days. And those stones, of course. You see? You like it? I do. Well, this wall and this gate, it was done in a week. Of course, I did it myself. This is the new part, the new gate. It was a different gate before, but once a truck crashed into it and broke the gate and everything, broke this pier. This is what's left of it. So then I decided to build a wall, and not even a tank cannot destroy this wall, by the way. This wall here, it's, I can't even get this far. But this is the skinniest part of it. Yeah, I have some medical difficulties, but still, I'm on vacation, so who cares? This is the skinniest part, and I can get this. And the part here, it's ½ meter wide. And as much as you can see it go up, that much it goes underground. So not even a tank cannot break this wall. I used a whole truck of sand, gravel, and half a pallet of cement to build this wall. All those stones you see here, and those you see on the inside, this took me 4 days to put them on. And this is my guardian, my beautiful mermaid. Yeah, this is actually a light, solar power light, but the water came in through here. The water came in, so it doesn't work anymore. I have to fix it, but only when the project will be finished. I built this part of the wall because that's where someone crashed and break everything. So here I built the wall also. So now you can crash if you want to. Yeah. Those holes are for the screws from this. You see, shoop, goes right there and down there. On this wall there's also screws, from inox screws, that goes through to those two. So if I have to fix something, I can take it off. So far I'm still using a generator until I build my power plant, my own private power plant. Well, let's open this up. I have a solar shower so far. That's the best thing you can use in summer. This is going to be the kitchen, the summer kitchen. This actually goes up here. This is going to be my summer kitchen. Let me open it up for you. I built it myself, everything, just by those two hands and this head. Open the gas. Yeah, the gas is open. This is a refrigerator, gas-powered refrigerator, which actually goes on the other side, but I have to finish the floor first. This is where the, you know, everything you need to cook goes in. This is the gas-powered. I have the electric one also down there. So I have to remember how this thing starts. I should have cleaned it up a little bit, but okay, for this week I'm here, it's gonna be fine. I'll come back later. Oh, and this is my deck. This is actually a fish trap. I need to fix it. It got broken. I have another one in here. This one was broken, and actually it was torn apart, and I fixed it already. This table was done with a single piece of pallet. I did it myself, and this one was from a dead tree, the leg. Everything you see here is done from the pallet. You know, the pallet. Everything. And those are actually solar powered. And the floor is doubled. No, seriously, it's doubled floor. I spent 6,000, I forgot, over 6,000 screws to screw this thing together. And I was doing it all alone, so it took me 22 days to build it. And now the most important part, a toilet. This is a toilet. This is I built this last year. This is a toilet water. I store the rainwater in here for the toilet. I have other water that brought to me by the fire department underground here. So if I run out of it, I have a pump to pump it out. but it should be enough. It's just for the toilet. And that's also what I did myself. A friend of mine made me this. All the rest I did it myself. And this I built everything myself. Now I have to make some door to close it. And of course I put this one in. I brought it here today. I'm gonna use it later. I put it in so that in case of rain it won't get. And I also put this one in here because I'm not gonna need it for the next 2 days or 3. That's it. It's a toilet just like home. You see? Probably you didn't want to see me flush the toilet, right? But okay. This is a solar powered light. And those are solar powered lights also. And when I did this water container, and first I wanted to build just this much, but then I decided why not bury container inside, so I'll build this. And when I was building this, everything went whoop a few times, so it can, the wall now it's, as you can see, almost 70 centimeters wide. Of course, so if I was doing it so wide, I decided to put not a roof on it, but to build a garden on top. So I made the stairs and put it on. Actually, when I was building this, the inspectors, they came because I'm not allowed to do it. I'm not allowed to build in this area, but a toilet I can build it. They told me I can. This I put everything on by myself. Those stones took me 2 days to put them on. Okay, this is actually a suicide stairs. I have to make something to hold on right here. Okay. First I need to make a power plant. And this is where the garden goes. On top. This one is half a meter wide. The others are 35, 15, and again 35 centimeters wide. And here goes another solar powered cell zone and a wind turbine for the refrigerator that will be powered by electricity, but it will be separated from the others. You see, this is my place. It's a little bit camouflaged, yes, I know. It's not easy to see. Okay, now you can see the roof, because the roof, the wind tear off the camouflage net, but that's about as much as you can see, right? Okay, this is it. Today now I'm gonna paint the other side of the wall, and that's about it. Oh yeah, refrigerator. It's right here next to the toilet. Why this one next to the toilet? Because it's gonna be a smelling one. You know what I mean? I'm fishing, so this is where I put a fish inside them. That's why it's made. It's right here next to the toilet. And I built everything by myself, by the way. Yes, I have a mind here. This sign was actually here, but then I decided to put a fishing refrigerator here, so I took it off. And you can't get in from that side anyway. Now there's a fence also, so you have a difficulties to get inside. So the sign is no longer necessary to be there. I have a few more signs to put them on. I have to. After all, my property is mine. I brought this one with me today. You know why? But it's not that big, but still. The grass is not so high, but still. Well, that's it for now. I will see you later. Bye.